What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to tackle down men's makeup or a men's makeup look. We're going to do a natural no makeup look, meaning having the coverage without actually having it so noticeable. By no means am I a makeup guru, a makeup expert, a professional at all whatsoever, but I am going to go through the steps that I would normally go to anytime that I'm going to wear makeup. I don't wear it all the time, but in case I'm gonna do either a photo shoot or maybe a video, or if I'm out and about and I wanna cover some blemishes or some redness around my eyes, then I will wear it. It's 2020 and there's nothing wrong with guys wearing makeup. We need to get rid of all those stereotypes of makeup is for women and so on and so on. If you wanna wear makeup to make yourself feel more empowered, to feel comfortable with your skin, to cover some blemishes, or to make you feel more confident, then do it. I do it. I am going to go through the steps now. I guess first and foremost, you want to make sure that you have already washed your face, get all these oils. You want to have a clean canvas to work with before you're putting on any product. I'm going to start off with the Neutrogena Shine Control Primer. And what I pretty much do is I will put it all over. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of dab it all over. And I would normally just use my fingers, which is obviously something you can do as well. Just kind of put it everywhere. For some reason, I have been getting so many blemishes lately. I don't know if it's because of my diet or lack thereof, but I'm going to blame it on 2020. 2020 has been a crazy year, so all those blemishes is because of that. I want to say it's maybe because I'm stressed or something, but I don't know. Next, I'm gonna go in with the True Match Super Blendable Correcting Concealer. There we go. And I'm going to just kind of put it, what I do is I try not to get a color too light from my skin, especially if there, especially if I wanted to give a natural look. What I want is to make it seem like I'm not wearing anything. So I'm going to go in with a blending sponge and just kind of smooth it out. So you don't want it to look too cakey or too pasty either. Like I said, you're trying to go for a natural look. So if it looks super pasty, then you're going to obviously give away that you're wearing any makeup. I'm also gonna go in with the Revlon ColorStay concealer. And like I said, this one is a tone just a little darker than my skin to not give my skin some highlight. It's just kind of there, here, there. Go back in there. And blend. Blend. Then I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris 24-hour foundation. You wanna make sure you have an evenly spread all over your face. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my hand and just grab that blending brush and go in there. This is also maybe a tone darker than my skin. Like I said, I'm always trying to give myself maybe like a tanned color rather than a lighter, especially if you're going to be around bright lights or if you're going to be doing some, maybe taking some pictures. Even with your selfies, if you're wearing too lighter of a makeup, your face, you can tell because your face will look super white or compared to the rest of your skin. So you want to definitely avoid that, and that's for everybody. That's for men and women, because I see a lot of girls that they'll wear their foundation way lighter than their actual skin tone, and you can tell. I mean, it looks like some look like a ghost. And right now, technically, this looks like, maybe it looks like a little too white, but I'm not done. I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Clean Natural Skin Press Powder. This is pretty much to let everything sit in and to avoid any oily blotches or your skin to look oily at all. I know what you're thinking, like, damn, he looks super white. Maybe I do, maybe I don't. But I'm gonna end it with the Natural Bronzer by Rimmel. I'm not a makeup expert, but you guys tell me how it's pronounced. I'll go in on the side. People say do a 3. Obviously, because of my beard, I'm going to do a C. Just kind of give it in here, do it in there. You want to go in the bridge of your nose, and I actually do it in the under my eyes. I don't want my eyes to have any lighting on it, or maybe to cover the concealer. Just kind of give it that give myself a tanned look. Let's do that about the eyebrows. The nose. There we go. How's that look? And to finish it off, our very last step is the e.l.f. eyebrow gel. The eyebrow gel. This technically is an eyebrow gel and an eyelash gel. I don't use the eyelash gel, but I do use the eyebrow gel. Just kind of to give my eyebrows some shape. I wish I had super thick eyebrows, but I don't. I've thought about microblading them, but I'm scared that they're gonna mess them up. So I don't have thick eyebrows. I have wide eyebrows, and they're all over the place, but they're not thick, and I wish they were. Sometimes I will fill them in with, I'll grab the pencil, the eyeliner pencil, and I'll just do it with one of these little bristle brushes. But other than that, I don't really do much to them. I don't wear lip gloss, but I do wear some chapstick, so we might as well finish that look with chapstick. And there you have it. This is it for the video. This is my version of a natural no makeup look for men or women. Let me know what you think of this look. Also, if you have some tips on what else I can do, let me know. Comment down below, and I will definitely follow those. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, keep your thumbs downs to yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. For a shout out, I would love to get some shout outs. If you want a shout out, please comment down below what products you use, if you use any, or just give me some tips on new beauty products that I can use. I'm always looking for products for my skin, for skincare, because I've noticed after you hit 30, you get a lot of wrinkles if you don't take care of your skin. I should have done it way earlier, but I didn't. Now I'm doing it, or I guess I'm doing it now, but hope it's not too late. Some Botox later. I will talk to you guys soon. You have a great day. Bye.